The key to curing Alzheimer's could be right here in Northwest Ohio.
A University of Toledo researcher is leading the way. NBC 24's Toy Creel sat down with him today. She's live outside the Health Science Building there. Toy, this researcher now has $2 million to work toward a cure.
That's right, and that came from the National Institute on Aging. Now get this, most people who get the funding for this type of research are in their 40s. Dr. Schieffer's only 33. That's why much of his work is causing such a stir.
Some of them will say that they like the fact that the boy down the street could be the one that cures Alzheimer's.
University of Toledo's Dr. Isaac Schieffer is just one of the many researchers nationwide looking into the study of Alzheimer's. And his studies are making waves in his industry. Recently, the scientist was awarded $2 million from the National Institute on Aging for his latest project.
The class of molecules that we're studying have never been studied for the brain before. And we showed for the first time that they improve memory in mice.
The memory improvement ideally could be replicated in humans, which would mean a major breakthrough.
There's only 2 or 3 drugs on the market right now for Alzheimer's disease. So even something with some of, you wouldn't have to completely cure it to have an impact on people's lives.
For Schieffer, it's not just his passion, but his purpose. He's been personally impacted by the disease.
My grandfather got Alzheimer's when he was 72.
Schieffer has received positive feedback from many, including the Alzheimer's Association, who has helped fund Schieffer's past work leading up to he and the team's latest discovery.
Whatever's successful about Dr. Schieffer's work can then be combined with what's successful with the work, similar or dissimilar work from other scientists, will result in an ultimate treatment and cure.
Right now, he's continuing his research, and as a Northwest Ohio native, says he couldn't be more proud of the work being done right at home.
We can run a premier drug discovery program right here at UT. Absolutely.
Now, right now, what's happening is the pre-clinical research. So essentially, he's looking at metabolism and cell cultures. After that, it'll take between 4 to 5 years before he does actual clinical research studies. He was also awarded another grant for looking at patterns in drug abuse. Reporting live in Toledo, Toy Creel, NBC.